Hi everyone, I'm back again with an interesting art activity for kids, especially aged between 6 to 9 years old. These are called echo lines. Echo lines are the lines wherein you draw one object repeatedly, leaving equal gaps between the objects. For example, here I have drawn heart and I'll draw their echo lines. That means a heart bigger than each of the heart every time I draw, and therein filling the entire sheet. Look at the design carefully and you can choose any object and draw its echo lines till it reaches the end of the sheet. Now each and every gap I'm going to paint with different colors and make it a beautiful bright painting. You can encourage kids to choose their own colors and do whatever color is their favorite in whichever gap they want to. And by this process the entire sheet will be covered with bright and beautiful ripple effect of the hearts, which are also called echo lines. Now I am using this white color chalk paint marker, or you can even use Posca paints or any white markers which are available on Amazon. I have shared the links in the description box which I have tried and tested. Encourage kids to outline each and every line and make variety of patterns in each and every gap. Give them some ideas on patterns. It can be lines, waves, polka dots, small shapes, anything what they want to draw. Go gradually, go slow, and in some of the spaces they can even use poster paints and brushes, earbuds to make variety of other patterns. So the entire drawing is about experimentation and learning of different lines and patterns. It helps in improving their handling of paint, markers, and helping them understand how to give equal gaps between two lines. It's very effective activity even in improving concentration, learning of different kinds of patterns and proportion. So try this out with your kids. They will surely love it and enjoy making this. If you like our lessons, if you like the activities that we do with the kids, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and discover the joy of creating. I'll see you again.